I don't know if it's just me, but you face issues and you feel like you're so unique. The problem is just specific to you. But in reality, you are not that unique. Hi, it's Daniel Don right here, and welcome to Spill Code. In this video, I'm bringing to you a solid point, and that is the problem you're facing in tech many times is easier to deal with and handle once you realize that it's not that specific to you. You're not that unique. When I say you're not that unique, I don't mean you as a person and what you bring to the table, but I mean the challenges we all face in the tech space generally. So you see people having a problem with a bug, and then you don't reach out because you feel like the person you're going to reach out to has probably not experienced it before, and you're just the dumb one who's experiencing that issue. In many cases, it's really just why many times you have an issue. You type that exact issue you're facing on the internet, say on Chrome, search thing, and you find people who have typed almost similar thing to what you just typed in and have received answers. It's because many of the problems we face, someone else has faced it before us, and if someone has faced it before you, isn't it easier many times to just search and get answers? There are two things it will do for you when you realize that these problems aren't exactly very unique to you. Number one is that it helps you solve them faster. So instead of continuously trying to figure it out on your own, I want to make this work. I want to make this work by myself and all by myself so that I'll be able to have bragging rights. Hey, bragging rights is not bad, and it's really cool to try to figure things out on your own, because sometimes it helps you, think logically and understand your thought process behind it. But other times it's really just you wasting time, especially if you have a deadline to meet and you want to meet that deadline soon, and then you have this issue that you could easily just search online and look at how other people has approached it and other people have done it, and then you end up wallowing in that and not being able to solve it. For example, when you look at other people's implementation, you're looking at implementations from like 10 people, 5 people, and you're able to compare these implementations and check, oh, okay, I can do this part better, I can do this part better, I can, copy what this person has said, I can replace this part, and all of that. And then you come up with a concise answer and keep moving up. The second thing this could do for you is that it would remove the inferiority complex you have. It will remove the imposter syndrome you have, where you feel like you're not worth it, because literally everyone is facing this problem. So once you know that everybody is facing the same issue, it makes it lesser on you as a person to handle that you're also facing the issue. Because you remember those days in class where you failed a particular thing, maybe you get 2/10, and then you're feeling down about it until you see that half of the class got 1/10, or you see that half of the class got 2/10, 3/10, and all of that. It makes you feel less bad because other people also experience this issue. It wasn't unique to you. So these problems are not unique to you. These problems are universal problems. You have to acknowledge that 100 years ago, people weren't writing code. So it's still kind of new in this our century, right? Writing code, technology, and all these things. So the problems you are facing is similar, and these solutions compound over the years down places like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and some other tools, including articles that people write and all. We have a whole world of encyclopedia filled with solutions to different problems around tech issues, bugs, how to resolve them, how to use a certain new tool, how to understand the framework, how to understand the library, and all those other issues you could face. It could be physical issues too. It could be that you don't have access to some certain tools. You don't own a MacBook, or you don't own a computer even. You just have a mobile phone, or you don't own the fastest computer in the world. You're using a 2GB RAM computer, you're using a 4GB RAM computer, and all of that. And then you start feeling like the problem is just focused on you. Remember, any situation you find yourself, there's always someone who has it much worse, but is in spite of that condition that they are in, they're putting in the work to get better at what they do. They're putting in the work to leave that place. So if you keep wallowing in your own condition, you will not be able to move forward like these other people. Yeah, this is what I bring you today. And if you've not liked this video by now, in this video, I don't know what you're doing to yourself. Like this video, subscribe, and tell me what you learned from this. Or if you have any contributions, please share with me in the comment section, or message me on Twitter and Instagram to see my photos of where I cover my face. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.